Good evening. My name is Fallon. With a show of hands, how many of you have recently been bitten by a mosquito? What if I told you that you could be carrying the Zika virus right now without any symptoms? The Zika virus is a mosquito-borne virus carried to humans by infected mosquitoes. Any person who travels to an area that's experiencing an outbreak of the Zika virus is at risk for contracting the disease. This evening, I will inform you on the origin, signs, symptoms, and treatment of the virus. The Zika virus has been known to thrive in the equatorial belt from Africa to Asia. The first human case of the Zika virus was found in Brazil in April of 2015. Texas has experienced 15 cases of the Zika virus from 2015 to the early months of 2016. 8 of those cases being diagnosed within the past month. Next, the signs and symptoms of the virus. The signs and symptoms of the Zika virus include rash, conjunctivitis, fever. Other symptoms ranging from body ache, joint pain, and headache. These can be confused with flu-like symptoms. You're recommended to see your primary care doctor if you're experiencing any of the symptoms. The virus normally lasts from several days to a week, and the symptoms are usually mild. Roughly 1 in 5 people who actually contract the virus show symptoms, meaning that you could be carrying the Zika virus without any of these symptoms. Lastly, the treatment of the virus. There is no vaccine offered for treatment. You can treat the symptoms of the virus, but not the virus itself. You're recommended to get plenty of rest, hydrate yourself with fluids, take over-the-counter prescriptions such as Motrin, Tylenol, or ibuprofen. This will relieve pain and fever. Now, since you can't treat the symptoms, you can try to prevent yourself from contracting the disease from mosquitoes. Wear long-sleeve clothing. Use mosquito repellents such as citronella candles, citronella oil off. If you have your children outside, I recommend that they play in netted areas if you are in an area that's experiencing an outbreak. In conclusion, you have been informed of the origin, signs, symptoms, and treatment of the Zika virus. Why didn't Noah just swat those 2 mosquitoes? I would like to open the floor for any questions.